Now, in today's session, there's one more topic that I like to tell you guys is about when you do therapies, home programs. There can come a point in time when the child that's not going to happen immediately. That can take a year or two, especially if the child is around 4.5, 5, where the kid will now not like being ask questions. When there'll come a point of time definitely where the child will be making 2 word 3 word sentences, and they are not even answering those 2 3 words that they know. Why does this happen? They are not doing things, they are not saying things which you have heard a lot at home, where even a few members have heard or XYZ has heard but you have not heard, vice versa. Why is that happening? As the kids go, this is all through my personal experience, as the kids grow, they start getting verbal. There is one thing, that they start realizing, that every time there's a lot of activities and a lot of things happening with me alone, with me, only with me, sessions at home, with me, lot of activities, basically sessions. Why me? It does happen with some kids, and then you'll see that they are not doing that great. Don't fret, there is nothing to fret. What you need to do is, this is called like they feel targeted. This is not going to happen with all kids, with some kids they feel targeted. Then what next? What do? Start giving individual sessions a break. Try to tell the therapist if they could arrange for a group or just 2 children doing the same thing at the same time, so that your kid will not feel targeted. At home, get another member of the family to join you in the game or in studying also. Anything you're teaching, if you're saying A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, and D for dog, when you do all those things with your child, get somebody else. Need not be an elder or a kid, it can be anybody. I have taken my father, that is my child's grandfather, as an extra student, and after teaching them, I would say, now I would take my son's name and say, now you wait, it is Nana's turn, your grandfather's turn, wait for your turn. He started liking that. Okay, what has happened now here? He's not getting targeted. One, I covered this, that not to target him. Two, what I have covered is turn taking. You need to wait for your turn. You need to wait for your turn. If somebody else is saying, you don't talk in the middle. So many things I'm covering without him even realizing that I'm doing all these things. And slowly you'll see, not immediately, but slowly you'll see that the child is now opening. Even in the therapy also, once they start your child with somebody else, not in the first 2 sessions, but slowly the child will start, now okay, what I know I'm going to say, plus I'll say more things. Try this tip if you feel that your child is getting stagnant on where they were, or your child is feeling targeted. Try this out. Yeah, thank you.